Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so dearly for always tuning in. I really appreciate. Today, the first time you are coming across us, so you are hearing this voice for the first time. We still remain Progress News, and we give you all the latest updates. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos, and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video, and I'll be right back.
Good morning, wonderful people of Biafra. Good morning, lovers of freedom. Good morning to all of you that are working as seriously to ensure that the restorations of Biafra is real. We have an information, and I want the world to know and Nigeria to also know that we are not afraid of anything. The buses loaded of army that is coming to Olu come fast. We know that you people have hired a lot of machinery, more than 2,000, yes, to come and die in Olu. No shaking. We are waiting for you. We have received your information and we are prepared waiting for you. Okay? You will know that that same God, first time with Moses, destroy the army of Egypt. He never changed. It's still the same God that our forefather know, the same God that we are serving. It doesn't matter how many you are. I will keep telling you this. It does not really matter how many you are. If you like, hire the whole army of the war and bring them to Biafra land. Now here then go all perish. At the end, you understand that this is not us. It is the spirit of Biafra that is fighting the war. At the end, you get to understand of the truth that this war is not about gun and bullet. It's beyond that. Then you understand that Biafra is a spirit. Biafra is our religion. It's not just a country. And I will keep telling you that at the end of this war, Biafra must be a free nation. So come as many as you are. Are you sure you have come as many? Because according to the buses I see, it's not up to 100. I know it is 18 seaters bus, 18 seaters, but it's not up to 100 now. 18 times 100 supposed to be, let me do the calculation and tell you that the number you are coming might not, you don't really withstand the heat. 18 times 100 is 1,800. If I'm not correct, I think I'm correct. 1,800. Yes. So 18 times 200, it should be 3,600. Yes, 3,600. 18 times 200 should be 3,600. Why don't you make it 3,600? Huh? Because this one you carry come, they no go fit to. They no go even last reach one food though. They will not last reach one food day. The ground of Biafra is hungry for some days now. I swear to you, it's hungry. So You coming with a few soldier, it's not much. Hope, please, beg Tunumbu to beg England, to beg whosoever that they need to beg, to deploy as many as, say that this 1,800 is not enough. Try in double it to be 3,600. Okay? Now I'm begging you. Try double it so that they will come and die, because the ground of Biafra have been open his mouth for a long time, waiting for you people. You are welcome. Welcome to the land of death. You are all welcome to the land of death. So bring the fight fast and let's see how it goes. This is the land of our ancestors. We go nowhere. So we have received your information, and I will not lie to you. We already prepare a very delicious soup for you to take welcome you into the land of the living ghost. So tell them that they are welcome. Tell them they are welcome. In this land of our ancestors, we go nowhere. Then the world will know that this is the portion whom Chukwu Kikabiyama gave to our forefather, that gave to our forefather, that gave to our father, that gave to us. And we are taking an oath to hand over this land to our children and our children unborn, without the presence of any terrorists called Nigeria, any terrorists known as Fulani, any terrorist known as Yoruba, any terrorist known as Britain. Their presence will never be found in the land of the rising sun, the land of Biafra. That our children will enjoy this land in a good faith. That is the oath we have taken. So anybody or whosoever that think they are capable, or they have power, or they have what it takes to stop us, let the person step forward and see if he can go back alive. That is what I can say for now. Thank you very much, lovers of freedom. I thank you very much, my fellow congregate. I thank you very much that will share this message until it reach them. Tell them that 1,800 is not enough. Even 3,600 is not enough. Let them come with as many. Because in this land of our ancestors, we go nowhere. If they come in million, they will die in million. If they come in thousand, they will fall in thousand. If they come in 100, they will fall in 100. If they come in 10 and unit, so shall it therefore. And then if they think we are joking, until all of them die finish, before their eye will clear them. And this restoration of Biafra, now then go take their mouth like this, they beg us, where we go. Because we must surely bring Nigeria down to the dust. If you know, you know. If you don't know, nothing we can do for you to know. Long live Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Long live Simon Ekpa. Long live Biafra Liberation Army. Long live all the forces that is fighting to liberate Biafra. Long live to all Biafrans, good wishers of Biafrans, home and abroad. Long live to the land of the rising sun, until all will hail Biafra. I thank you very much. Remain blessed until I come your way another day or another time. From
So, my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and bye bye.